Joshua was strolling in a park one night. It was very dark as there were no street lights. Just then, he saw a firefly. Explain why Joshua was able to see the firefly in the dark. Now, firefly is an animal, is an insect that can give off light. As such, in order for Joshua to see it, right, it's because of the light that's given out by the firefly. So the answer would be this. The firefly gives out light which allows Joshua to see it. On his way home, Joshua saw some roadworks along a main road. He observed that all the workers were wearing a vest with reflective stripes as shown below. Why is it necessary for the workers to wear this vest while working in the night? Now, the purpose of the reflective stripes is to reflect light. That is to say, if a car is traveling this way and is shining its headlight onto the reflective stripes, the light will actually be reflected back into the eyes, into the car, and that's how the driver can actually see the person. So if light is being shined this way, it will reflect into the eyes of the driver, and once the driver see this reflection, they will not actually drive into the workers. So the answer would be the reflective stripes reflect light shown onto it into the eyes of the driver, thus preventing cars from knocking into them. Okay, see us. The diagram below shows the corner of a corridor. At the corner, there are 4 mirrors, W, X, Y, and Z, which help people moving from opposite directions of A and B to see each other before reaching the corner. Which mirror, W, X, Y, or Z, would enable 2 people moving from the opposite direction of A and B to see each other before they meet at the corner? Now, looking at here, if you are walking towards from A, you will actually see the light reflecting this way. Okay, so but X is not so useful because even if you see it, right, it's going to hit like that, so there's no point, right? W will not see anything as well. W is just like that, while Y is just like that, right? So you won't see anything. So the only answer would be that the mirror Z. So let's write down the answer here. Mirror Z. Based on the above diagram, state one property of light that enables both people to see each other. Now, in order for light to reflect, this is because of the fact that light travels in straight lines. If light is able to bend, then the light will actually bend away from the mirror in order to reach the other person, so that we can actually see them. But in this case, light cannot bend. Light always travels in the straight lines, but light cannot travel in curves. So if light is able to travel in curve, we can see everyone. We don't need mirrors. Okay, so let's write the answer. Light travels in straight lines.